Framex Inova ISS 147. The parallel sliding warm PVC system. It's a perfect alternative to the heavy system at a competitive price, 1.5 times lower. It provides a high level of protection for residential spaces from external environmental factors. During warm seasons, it unites patios and gardens with living rooms and terraces, turning them into a common living space with increased comfort. Frame installation depth 147 mm, glass thickness 50 mm. To ensure excellent performance, the system used a two-seal gasket system made from thermoplastic elastomer applied both inside and outside. The number of sashes 1 or 2. Design details. Visible profile width frame plus sash 145 mm. Threshold height 74 mm. By using the cable handles, the system can be applied in entrance door design, allowing the door to be locked from both inside and outside. Number of rails 1. Single monorail. Reinforcing PVC profiles with steel inserts significantly increases the overall rigidity of the structure. As a result, the maximum sash size is increased up to 2000 mm in width and 2400 mm in height, and the frame size up to 5850 mm in width and 2575 mm in height, allowing the system to cover large wall openings and enjoy panoramic views. When turning the handle parallel to the ground, the sash moves 4 mm away from the frame, providing micro-ventilation. Opening, closing and sliding the sash left or right is easy and convenient, thanks to hardware from leading European manufacturers. The profile can be standard white or colored. At the customer's request, the construction can be laminated on both sides in the desired color. Among the sliding system of the trademark Framex, the parallel sliding PVC systems Framex Inova ISS 147 stands out for its best performance characteristics. Air permeability, maximum class 4, water resistance HA, anti-burglary protection RC2, wind load resistance C4, C5. The system is equipped with a micro-ventilation function.